Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab in clay. First, select a fresh, live crab, then clean it thoroughly under cold water. Next, gather your favorite aromatic herbs and spices, such as ginger, garlic, and green onions, to season the crab. Finally, prepare a food-safe clay mixture, ensuring it's pliable enough to work with but firm enough to hold its shape during cooking. Now, carefully place your seasoned crab onto a flattened sheet of the prepared clay. Gently mold the clay around the entire crab, ensuring there are no gaps or cracks. It's crucial to create an airtight seal to trap all the delicious moisture and flavors inside. Aim for a consistent clay thickness of about 1 inch all around the crab for even cooking. With your crab perfectly encased, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the clay-covered crab directly onto a baking sheet. Bake for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the crab's size. The clay will harden into a protective shell, steaming the crab perfectly and locking in all those wonderful, infused flavors. Once baked, remove the crab from the oven and let the clay cool for a few minutes. Then, with a small mallet or the back of a spoon, gently crack open the hardened clay shell. The aroma will be incredible. Carefully remove the perfectly steamed, succulent crab. Serve it immediately with a side of melted butter, lemon wedges, or your favorite dipping sauce for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.